Ciao a tutti, sono Isa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about one of the most important topics when learning a new language, the alphabet. Before we start, here's a quick reminder of what you learn in the playlist Italian Hero. You can expect basic Italian so you can learn step by step, from important vocabulary and phrases to talk about family, daily routines, food, shopping, the time and the weather, and many more. This will help you take the first steps to start speaking Italian with confidence. Perfetto. Now, let's get into today's topic. First, let's start with a question. Do you know how many letters are in the Italian alphabet? I'll give you a moment to think about it. If you answer 21, you're absolutely right. And these are the letters of the Italian alphabet. I'm going to read them quickly so you can get a first impression of the pronunciation. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, I lunga, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So yes, the Italian language has 21 letters. 5 of them are vowels, as you can see here in red. A, E, I, O, U. In addition to these, there are also 5 foreign letters, shown here in green. I lunga, K, W, X, e Y. When we talk about spelling, just like in many other languages, there are some fixed names or words people use, and Italian often use names of cities to clarify the letters, especially over the phone. Now, let's begin. A, pronounced A, like Ancona, or another word is amore. B, like Bologna or bello. C, this is a letter with 2 pronunciations. We have C can sound like K before A, O, or U, like for example como, como. It can sound like Ch, like in cherry, before I and I. So cena, cena. D, like Domodossola or dolce. E, like Empoli or elefante. F, like Firenze or faro. G has also 2 pronunciations. It sounds like G, as in go, before A or U, gatto, gatto. And it sounds like G, like gel, before I or I, Genova, gelato. Then we have H. The letter H is silent in Italian. So we say H as in hotel or hamburger. I like Imola or iguana. J or Ilunga as in Juventus or jeans. K as in kilo or Kenya. L like Livorno or Luna. M like Modena or Mela. N like Napoli or Notte. O di Otranto or Oro. P like Padova or Pane. Q like Quadro, painting, or Quaderno, notebook. R di Roma or Rosa. S like Savona, Savona. But note, it can also be pronounced like Z. For example, Rosa, Rosa. T like Torino or Tavolo. U like Udine or Uomo. V like Verona or Ventilatore. W di whisky or Walter, X di taxi, Y di yoga or yogurt, Z like Zara, it sounds like Z at the beginning of the word, Zara, and like Z in words like pizza. Now that we've learned the basics, let's do a few quick pronunciation exercises together. I will show you some words and I want you to try reading this word. Here's the first one. How do you pronounce this word? If you pronounce casa, you've got it correctly. Then how you pronounce this word? Gelato. Then we have chiesa, and amore. And finally, we have dolce. Great job, and don't worry, if you need more practice, just go back and repeat as many times as you need. Great! Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with 2 quick quizzes. I have here 2 questions, and I will start with the first one. What is the correct pronunciation of the letter C in Italian before I and I? Is it K? Is it ch? Is it s? Is it g? Take a few seconds. If you answered B as ch, then you answered correctly. And remember, the letter chi is pronounced as k before a or u, as for example in casa, cosa, cubo. And it's pronounced ch, like cherry in English, before I and I, like in cena or cinema. Great! Now let's move on with the second question. How many letters are there in the standard Italian alphabet? Are there 21, 26, 23, or 20? Take a moment to think. This is an easy one. If you answered 21, then you got it right. Great! I hope you had fun and learned something new today. As always, I'll see you on my channel for more interesting videos, and if you're not following me yet, make sure to subscribe to support the channel. See you soon. Ciao!